Hagia Sophia is a landmark of Byzantine architecture with its overwhelming size and grandeur, situated in Istanbul, Turkey. In Latin, Hagia Sophia is known as Sancta Sophia. In Greek, Hagia Sophia translates to Holy Wisdom. This cathedral was first constructed between 532 and 537 AD as a basilica, turned into an Islamic mosque in 1453, and is currently a museum since the secularization at the beginning of the 20th century. Its architects include Isidorus of Miletus and Anthemius of Tralles, under the command of the Byzantine Emperor Justinian. This significant building was the largest during its time for around 1,000 years until the medieval Seville Cathedral was built in 1520. The plan of Hagia Sophia is approximately 270 feet long and 240 feet wide. The Great Dome, which sits on 4 pendentives, is 108 feet in diameter, its crown at 180 feet above the ground. Pendentives mark the greatest contribution to the Byzantine period of architecture because it introduced the groundbreaking discovery of mounting a circular shape, the dome, on top of a square space by using 4 arches to support the dome. However, the use of pendentives caused other elements, such as the huge wall piers to the north and south, and to the east and west, half domes whose thrusts descend and turn into still smaller domes, covering column niches that give a curving flow to the design. Many of the qualities that make Hagia Sophia an icon of Byzantine architecture result from the deviation of Roman stylistic elements. For example, it does not have Roman organization of its masses, for the arcades of the nave and galleries have no real structural function. In addition, Hagia Sophia uses brick instead of concrete, as in Roman practice for structures like screen walls, vaults of the aisles and galleries, domes, and conches, which are semicircular half domes. One other major characteristic that makes Hagia Sophia distinct from other historical precedents is the use of windows to let in light, in order to create an ethereal effect. For example, the 40 windows at the bottom of the Great Dome let in light as to create the illusion that the dome is floating, promoting a sense of spiritual sacredness with the penetration of light from all around the dome. According to the Gardner's textbook, Pseudo-Dionysius, perhaps the most influential mystic philosopher of the age, wrote in the Divine Names, "The name good shows forth all the processions of God. Light comes from the good, and light is the visual image of God." Hagia Sophia is the epitome of Byzantine architecture in its traditional sense of building style and patron withholding absolute authority. Its specific elements are reminders of historic events, as well as the changes that took place accordingly. A great icon, Hagia Sophia serves to be a positive assertion of the triumph of Christian faith.